What's louder than a jet engine and as mysterious as the deep sea? Meet the Bloop. In 1997, scientists heard a sound so loud it echoed across the Pacific Ocean. No one knew what it was. Was it a giant sea monster? Or something even stranger? For years, people speculated that the Bloop was the call of a colossal unknown creature lurking in the deep. Could it be a sea beast, or was it something more? A mystery in the ocean's depths. But then, in a twist fit for a sci-fi novel, scientists cracked the case. It turns out the Bloop wasn't a creature at all, but the sound of a massive ice quake, a chunk of ice cracking off an Antarctic glacier. Imagine the force needed to make that noise. The Bloop was just nature's powerful voice, booming from the frozen depths of Antarctica. So, no giant sea monsters here. Just the ocean doing what it does best, surprising us with its secrets. Like and subscribe, and I will reveal more secrets.